Hello everyone, this is Amanda from the Greenwell Springs Regional Branch Library, here to show you another grab and go craft. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Louisiana string art. The following supplies will be included in your grab and go bag. 1 piece of foam board, 1 template of Louisiana with a heart in the middle, red and black yarn, (100) sequin pins, popsicle stick. You'll need scissors from home and glue. The glue is optional. We'll begin by positioning our template in the middle of our foam board. If you'd like to attach text at the bottom, please leave enough blank space at the bottom of your board. You'll start by inserting pins along each dot in the template, using the popsicle stick to push them into, but not completely through the board. After all the pins are placed, slowly and gently tear away the paper template. Start by tying the end of your red yarn around one of the pins in the heart, trimming the short end. Weave the remaining yarn around the outline of the heart, then zigzag through the heart to fill it. Tie the end to one of the pins, trimming the tail of the yarn once secure. Repeat this process with your black yarn around the outline of the state. Here I used a radiating pattern from the center of the heart to fill the state, but you can use whatever pattern you wish, as long as it does not hide the red heart in the middle. Once you finish, tie off the black yarn and trim any excess once secure. This final step is completely optional, but I feel it gives a very polished look to your string art. We'll use the text cutout that was in your bag to attach to the bottom of the poster board with a little bit of glue. Here, you could also personalize with writing, paint, stickers, or even just doodles. You can really make this project yours very easily. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your Louisiana string art. If you like this craft and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to the EBRPL Teens YouTube page. Thank you.